911 call was made from inside an apartment, and dispatchers could hear an apparent altercation in the background before the caller hung up.
Did you call us about what's going on in there? There is an active 22 picture going on inside. Alachua County Sheriff's Office! We know you're inside! Come out now or we're gonna force entry! Alachua County Sheriff's Office! Anyone inside? Come out now or we're gonna force entry! Let's try the window. Yep, try the window. Sheriff's Office, come out now!
Okay, why are you breaking my window?
Come out now!
Okay.
Let me see your hands. Come outside now. Come out now. Face that way. Come over here to me. Face away from me. Alachua County Sheriff's Office. Anyone in the house, please come out now.
They went off the balcony.
Where?
I don't know.
They jumped off the balcony?
Why am I being detained?
So we can figure out what's going on.
Okay, I didn't.
Alachua County Sheriff's Office. Anyone inside, please come out with your hands free.
Can you let me go, please? I'm not doing anything
What
wrong.
were they wearing?
They were wearing a pink crop top and black tights.
She's got injuries all over.
I'm fine.
What happened to you?
We got in an altercation. Can you please get me out of these handcuffs? I didn't do anything. We got in a fight and they wouldn't leave, but they ended up leaving because I told them that I called the police.
Do you know which way they ran?
No, sir. They just jumped off the balcony. It's this girl that I'm talking to. I don't know.
Are you in a relationship?
No.
When you say talking to, what do you mean?
We were talking, and they just, I don't know. Nothing.
Are you intimate?
Can you? I just told you.
Are they hiding inside?
No, but I don't.
You need to tell me right now, because if they're hiding inside, they're gonna get dog bit.
I don't know. I don't know. No, nobody's in there. But can I go? I know.
Are you 100% positive nobody's inside?
Yes.
So, how long ago did she jump out?
Maybe like 10 minutes. Her friend was sitting outside though, so I think they might have drove off.
Okay. Listen, it's very important you understand what I'm about to tell you. Okay. If anyone else is inside this house, they're gonna get dog bit.
Okay.
Okay. So you're positive no one else is inside.
Yes.
Okay.
Nobody's here.
How did she get out? What?
The balcony right there at the back.
The sliding glass door, or
it's not. Yeah, and it's broken.
The window's
screen's broken, so you can get out there. Can we go in the house?
No, not right now.
Okay. Well, why does all this have to occur?
Because we told you to come out multiple times and you didn't come out, and it's not like y'all were fighting.
Nobody. I was fighting with no one. I literally was in there. No, there was no fighting.
It sounded like there's a lot of rustling.
You can see very clearly there was fighting.
Yes, but that's when you guys.
And you can see.
Yeah, this happened a while ago. I literally have been in there by myself. I'm fine. Why can't
So when they got here, they could hear you arguing with whoever's in there with you. So you're lying and saying that they weren't in here when we got here. Okay.
Well, I didn't know.
And then this deputy could hear the active fighting inside of the apartment. So
there was no active fighting in the apartment, but there was earlier.
You can see very clearly, and they heard it while they were standing out here.
That had already happened.
Did she drive?
Different drove?
She got in the car with somebody else. So.
What car?
I think a burgundy car. It wasn't a fight. It was more like a tussle. The stuff in there, I did that.
Okay, so y'all tussled.
More like she. It wasn't a fight. Like it was. I would call it a tussle. We didn't fight. There was nothing. All the stuff everywhere. I did that.
The subject we're with has been inconsistent in changing her story as we've been talking with her. She's not really wanting to be cooperative.
This is your final warning. This is the Alachua County Sheriff's Office. Come out to me with open and empty hands. Come to the front door, or police cannot be sent to find you, and you will be bit. All right, small kitchen to my right. Whoever's behind me, pick that up.
I got you.
After refusing to come out despite multiple lawful commands to exit, deputies searched the residence and found a woman hiding inside a closet. She was detained shortly thereafter.
I saw her leave, so nobody's in there.
They're inside with somebody.
She's not who was. That's not who was in here.
That's fine. That's the no contact order.
Okay, but she didn't. She's not who.
Let's take her down.
She didn't. I'm not. She's not who I was arguing with.
Ma'am, look at me. Look at me. Stand right here.
It wasn't me.
Breathe,
I didn't
breathe,
do it.
breathe,
I didn't do it.
breathe.
It wasn't me.
What's your name?
Jada.
Jada what?
Jada Lowe.
Uh,
I didn't do it. I wasn't.
Stay still.
I wasn't arguing.
Jada
I
Lowe?
was scared. Do I have to go to jail?
No, I'm not saying you're going to jail. We're still doing our investigation, okay?
I didn't do anything.
I just don't appreciate you lied to me several times about her being
I did not know. I promised it was somebody else, and they went out the door. I didn't. I told Jada she's not supposed to be here. I have not talked to Jada.
Okay.
What's going on tonight?
Her and her friend were arguing. I just came to get some clothes. Me and my friend are going out. Because I didn't want nothing to do with it. Her friend jumped off the balcony. It was not me. I am fine.
What was going on with them?
I just came to get my clothes. My friend had dropped me off. She was outside waiting for me. I came to get some stuff. Her friend, I don't know if they had something going on or whatever, but her and her friend came in here. They started arguing. The friend started breaking stuff into the house. They started going back and forth. I got scared because I'm a CNA. I don't want no problem, so I just did.
Were they placing
She
hands on
was
each other?
fighting her. She did not fight her. She tried to get her off of her. I don't even know this girl. I don't know the girl. I seen her maybe quite a few times, but she bust up in here. She came in here and she started breaking stuff.
Was she allowed to be in here?
Fighting. No.
How'd she get in?
I don't know. I think Gaby must have left the door open when she came in or when she got here. I don't know, but
So she just busted in and started.
They were arguing about something. I don't know what they're arguing about, but they started arguing about something. Me and Diamond don't really talk no more, so I just came to get a few things.
Okay. What was she wearing?
The girl, she was wearing a long sleeve black shirt. She had on some sweatpants, I think, but she had on clothes under her clothes because her clothes got. I remember her clothes got dirty from all the stuff that she started throwing out, and I just went upstairs to hide. I didn't want no part of this. She was starting to come at me. She started yelling at me, and I'm like, girl, I can't even fight. I don't want no part of this.
Okay. So she came to the apartment, like you said.
Yeah, she was arguing with her.
And who's your friend? What's her name?
My friend, she was here. Her name is Nisi.
Okay.
She just dropped me off.
She's the one that lives here?
No, AV and I used to live here, but AV's staying at a different apartment now.
Who was in here with you? That we just took?
That's AV.
That's AV.
Yes.
Okay. So AV does not own this apartment.
No, she's on the lease here.
Okay.
So she's allowed to be here.
And who's the other girl?
That's her friend. That ain't my
You don't know
friend.
her name?
I don't even know her. I just seen her a couple times. Her name is Z. That's her nickname, Z. But I don't know her actual name. And she did. She came in here yelling, barging, screaming. And AV's like, you need to get out of my house. And then she hit her. AV did not hit her first. That girl hit her first. And then she tried to come after me. And I said, yeah, I don't want no part of this. So I went upstairs and I did.
Okay.
Yeah, no, her wasn't.
But you do realize that due to the events that happened a few days prior where you were arrested for the domestic battery between you and Ava,
but she doesn't
you
stay
can't
here.
have contact with her.
Yes, she came here. I didn't know that. I was leaving. That's why I said the girl, AV does not stay here. She stays elsewhere. We didn't talk after the trial, but I don't know. She just didn't come back here. She told my mom or she told somebody, but I did not reach out to her. I did not contact her at all. I came here to get clothes and I was going to go out with my girls. Diamond stays elsewhere. She does not stay here.
Now, did you work something out with the courts where you're allowed to be here?
They just said that me and her just can't stay at the same residence. I didn't know if that was I just can't be here or if that, but I did call court services today. I had my appointment made and everything. We settled this. I don't know who that girl was, but she came here doing this.
So
this is ridiculous.
If AV doesn't stay here, why was she here?
I don't know. I'm assuming she also came to get something else and she didn't know I was here. We both have keys. But like I said, I was leaving because I didn't want no problems. I did not want no part of this. You can ask her. I was not staying here. I was like, oh yeah, no, I'm finna go. And she's like, okay, I'll go. Okay, either way, we were both going.
Okay,
that girl
who was here first?
I was here first.
21 to 29.
But that's okay. I'll leave. But it wasn't us arguing. I didn't reach out to her. I haven't contacted her. I was already here. And she was already maintaining a different residence. Yeah, no, I could go stay with my mom. I don't want no part of this.
Okay.
Well, at a minimum, you're going to go to jail for resisting without violence for not coming out when I gave you commands.
I didn't hear. I just
Okay. You're also probably going to go to jail for burglary with battery. There is a standing no contact order where you're not allowed to be here.
Yes, but
No, ma'am.
she
No,
doesn't
ma'am.
reside
No,
here.
No, ma'am. There's
She lives elsewhere.
There's a standing no contact order where you are not allowed to be here.
I didn't know. They just said I
You
could
do know
not
that.
contact.
You do know that it was signed in open court by a judge saying
Yes,
you must maintain an alternate residence and you cannot reside here.
Yes, because she didn't
You were
live
more
here.
than likely going to go to. I'm just telling you, just being straight up with you. You're probably going to go to jail for burglary with battery. You are definitely going to go to jail. You are definitely going to go to jail for resisting without violence at a minimum.
I didn't know.
Okay.
This is not
And
fair.
more than likely violation of contact order.
Close. Like I did not even talk to her.
Let's walk her down. Yeah.
I can't. I don't understand.
Ma'am, I think I was out here with you like a month ago, telling you something like this is going to happen if you kept coming around.
I left. I don't understand.
No, you guys have been continuously doing this. We're going to leave her right here for the time being. Since she's around over here.
You weren't here. You came here. Who dropped you off?
My friend Nisi came here.
Okay.
I just assumed I was here first because the door was like it was closed. I assumed I was here first when I came
So
in.
you got dropped off by Nisi,
Yes.
and you went upstairs.
To get my stuff. That is it. That has nothing to do with.
You came to get stuff. Okay.
Just wanted my thing.
Then you're saying the other person walked in and
Yes.
started yelling?
Yes, I was upstairs when all of that happened. I didn't hear anything. Like I heard, but I wasn't a part of it.
Okay.
Like I was just here to grab my thing. Like, and she's not staying here. She's staying at a different
So you didn't
residence.
see anything?
No, I just saw like the sweatpants and the clothes that I showed you, that I told you. Other than that, like, no, she attacked her. I heard yelling and I went and I hid because I didn't want to get in trouble. Like, I don't want no part of this.
What are those marks all over your neck and your ear?
I don't know about these, but they've probably been here for some time. It's not.
That didn't happen today?
No, it didn't happen today. I am fine. No, I am fine. Nobody attacked me. Nobody hit me. I am fine.
Per the no contact order, you are to maintain an alternate residence.
Yes.
Regardless of an agreement that you two had. And, you know, the fact that you had an agreement between you two,
But we didn't
that means
speak
you guys
at
had
all.
some sort of contact.
No, we did not talk. She reached out to my people. I did not reach out to her at
So
all.
regardless, the
At
no
all.
contact order says you have to maintain an alternate residence unless you get it approved by the judge.
Okay. I thought that meant that if we are in the same area, like if we shared a residence, then that would mean that I would have to.
Shared a residence, so
She,
you have to maintain
she's
a different one.
leaving. Yes, she does not live here. She stays elsewhere. That's why I was like, okay, well, if she's not around here, then I figured that that's what that meant. No.
Where do you stay?
This is my home. But lately, I've just been at my mom's house. She went to Daytona, so I came to my house to get some clothes.
Just so you're fully aware, a minimum of 2 things that you'll be charged with tonight is going to be the resisting without, because you ignored the commands to come out of the apartment, okay? And then you will also be charged with the violation of the no contact.
I didn't. I don't understand. I did
So
my
those are the
part. I
2
just
minimum
wanted my
things that you will
clothes.
be charged with.
And because this other person coming here starting these problems, I have to go? That is not fair. I did my part. I don't understand. I can't.
What's your date of birth, Jada?
Yeah. So all things consistent with her.
No, me and her were not fighting. I have no reason to fight her.
All right, Miss Lowe, we're going to stand you up, okay? 1, 2, 3. All right.
She was arrested and charged with burglary with assault or battery, contempt of court, and resisting officer without violence. Do you think Avi should have been arrested for repeatedly lying to officers during the investigation? If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.